SCHWING S-17 boom pump. S-17 is German design with so many techno-savvy features. The features include rock valve system, strong boom design, innovative pipeline design, flexible slewing gear, low heat dissipating open loop system, inductive hardened pumping cylinder. Boom pump controls. S-17 has an advanced control system called vector control system. It is highly sophisticated, provides all the operational data to the user. Manual mode on left switching, auto mode on right switching, manual mode activation, remote control, fast boom, link up and down movement. Boom swiveling clockwise and anti-clockwise, forward and reverse stroke, hopper agitator clockwise, water pump control, concrete flow control, RC remote activation control, boom swiveling speed control, emergency start, second boom link up and down movement, third boom link up and down movement, RPM control. Similarly, the boom operations can be controlled using the manual controls provided on the system. Two control rods provided on the system are used for operating outriggers. It will be seen on either side of the machine that helps in easing operation. Boom pump operations. Outrigger operation. Boom operation. Applications. S-17 can be used for so many applications. Some of the applications are retainer valves, flooring, bridge sidewalks. Columns. Windmill projects. Slabs. House projects, and so many applications.